What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself at home. I'm going to be showing you a quick video how to do your nails at home. You do not need no acrylic. These are officially just stick-on nails because you know us women, we need to stick together because in this time of need, we're all in this quarantine and we can't go to the nail salon, we can't get our feet, we can't get our nails done. I know me personally, I hate not having my nails done because if I don't have my nails done, I'm going to just keep biting them and biting them. So let's get down into this video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not new here, welcome back to the fam, y'all, and let's get into this video. So in this video, all you're going to need is some clippers, some nail glue, a filer, and your stick-on nails. I'm going to be using these Kiss nails. They're so cheap and they're so easy to apply. So let's get down to this video. All you're going to do is just saw your nails, saw each nail down. Now just make sure they saw down so they can be nice and filed underneath the nail. And I'm just going to use my clippers to just clean under the nails a little bit. If there's any dirt under there, just use the clippers to just clean under there. See? Nothing major. I know sometimes I be having like a lot of dirt under my nails and I don't even be noticing it sometimes. Okay. So let's open up the glue. Just knock my towel off. Put the glue right there. Let's open up the nails. Okay. And let's put the nails right there. Let's take the top off. Okay. Be easy. Because I know one time when I opened this joint, they popped all out. Okay, so I'm guessing this is for the big finger, so let's start off with the big finger. So you're just going to apply one drop. Now this is the part that actually takes a little process, but believe me, it's worth it. So they got these little things, the numbers on the end of it, to tell you which one goes where. Just hold it down for a few seconds. Even if you gotta blow on it, blow on it. You know, if you wanted to, you know, dry quicker, you know, do what you know. Because I know sometimes I don't have the patience. You just press down, you know, wobble it a little bit, make sure is on. See? And that's one. If you want, you can clip. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I was going to clip off the ends last, but I think I'm going to clip them off now so I won't have to do that at the end. And that's one. Now, let's see, because my fingers are a little small, so I'm going to have to do these. Okay. Then you go next finger, and then you just keep repeating the process on to the next and on to the next. Just hold that one down, squeeze the sides, you know, so it can fit onto the finger. Squeeze the top, push down, and that's two. On to the next. That one is a little too small for my finger. That one's too big. Okay. This one is just right. Squeeze that one down too. I just like to blow it to make sure it's dry. And then clip that off. Okay. So I gotta pick around because some of these are way too big for my finger. And for the pinky, this one actually be perfect. And one finger done. And then you just do that with the other one. Okay, for the second hand, I already put one on. I swear this is probably the most easiest and cheapest way for you to do your nose. Shoot, I might start doing my nose this way more often to save me some money. Like, sometimes saving money is good. Two more nails to go. See how easy and fast this is? Like if you really in a rush one day and you really need to do your nails, you can do this in 10 minutes. Like, you feel like you don't want to go out the house with your nails looking all raggedy, go to the store and get some nails, stick-on nails. I think these nails like $5. That ain't nothing. And the glue, sometimes these nails come with its own glue, but I like to get the major hole glue because I want my nails to last at least 3 weeks. Look at that, all done. And then after that, I push them down. The ones that I feel like they're lifting up a little bit, or if I feel like they're not strong enough, I just put a little bit of glue, like a dot on the side, to make sure it's holding. All done. See? At home nails, do it yourself. $5 for the nails and what, like $1.49 for the glue. And they still look like you just got them done at the nail salon. And all I suggest you do, just put a little bit of lotion on your hands and stuff like that, and you all done. See? Cheap and easy. Thank you guys for watching my channel. If you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you come back and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.